if you were ever wondering, where crypto is going, look, it's right in front of you. It's right in front. Let me make that bigger so you can see it. Let me make that bigger. Do you see it? This is where it's going. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is an epic, epic day. In the midst of all of this red, the Nasdaq makes first big crypto push to lure institutional clients. Check this out. Nasdaq Inc. is making its first major push into crypto as the second largest stock exchange prepares to capitalize on increasing appetite for digital currencies among big money investors. A new group dedicated to digital assets will initially offer custody services for Bitcoin and Ethereum to institutional investors, according to Tal Cohen, the company's executive vice president and head of North American markets. All right. Wall Street's biggest firms are deepening their involvement as institutional investor interest persists despite a downturn that cost jobs and depressed prices. BlackRock partnered with Coinbase to make it easier for investors to trade Bitcoin, and shortly after offered its first investment product directly in the token. All right. As a custodian of digital assets, a step which is pending approval from the New York Department of Financial Services, Nasdaq would be competing with crypto firms such as Coinbase, Anchorage Digital, and BitGo, a small number of financial firms. Okay. This is very, very, very big. All right. While Nasdaq has no immediate plans to launch a crypto exchange, it will evaluate the opportunity based on regulatory environment and competitive landscape, Cohen said. All right, guys. So, I mentioned this in the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group months ago. It's just a matter of time. And the BlackRock partnership with Coinbase, that just reaffirms that, right? And today, what the Nasdaq is doing, this reaffirms that same statement. Big money wants to get into the crypto market. They're already in the crypto market. You're just now starting to see it come to the surface, right? So I predict that at some point you're going to be able to log into TD Ameritrade and you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and whatever other leading crypto assets, right? Now, there may come a point where you can do these things, but you may not be able to send those assets off of the platform due to regulatory concerns. So it could be a situation where, yeah, you're buying crypto on these legacy stock exchanges, but you may not be able to send that crypto anywhere. That's what I think is going to happen ultimately. You're going to be trading crypto on these legacy exchanges, right? Legacy financial market exchanges, but you won't be able to send it off of the exchange. It's going to be weird if you're a person who's been in crypto, for the past year plus. It's going to be very strange if you were to even want to do that, right? And ultimately, I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happens with Coinbase or any of these US-based exchanges. All right. So, that's not something I want to happen, but it's something that I've prepared my mind for mentally, right? So, this is a very, very big deal, guys. We're just one step closer to, more adoption of crypto and digital assets in this whole space, just, becoming part of our everyday lives. Big things like this are going to happen and continue to happen. Guys, I'm not posting videos. That does not mean that I am not still plugged in and researching these cryptos. I am seeing hundreds of millions of dollars being poured into layer one cryptos that haven't even come out yet. DeFi projects, all right? DeFi blockchains, application specific blockchains, okay? What else? Metaverse projects. What else? NFTs, Web3. it's going to be very interesting when the next bull run kicks off, and we don't know what is going to trigger that next crypto bull run. Who would have thought that out of the COVID pandemic, right? That would have started a 18-month, almost 2 year bull run. So if you were ever wondering, where crypto is going, look, it's right in front of you. It's right in front. Let me make that bigger so you can see it. Let me make that bigger. Do you see it? This is where it's going. It's going here. It's blowing up. It's already big, but it's only going to get bigger. All right, guys. So yeah, if you're in this bear market and you're staying plugged in, hats off. Congrats. If you want to join the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group, the link is below. We talk about a lot of different things in there. All right. A lot of different cryptos, what's going on in the crypto space, right? And outside of the crypto space sometimes, right? We talk about gems in there every now and then. All right. And if you want to join the Patreon and know what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and know what I'm finding when I find it, the link is below as well. All right, guys. But regardless, I'm glad you stopped by and checked out this video. So bullish on crypto, so bullish on the opportunity right now for all of us, because this is where the millionaires are made, guys, in the bear market. Even if this lasts another 1 to 2 years, nobody knows. But if you're investing in the right cryptos right now, dollar cost averaging, okay? Because we don't know if we're going to go lower, right? You just dollar cost averaging consistently, patience, research. This is the time to research these cryptos when there isn't a lot of noise. There's just a lot of gloom and doom. Everybody wants lower prices. Will they get it? No. Or maybe they will, right? We don't know, right? But if you dollar cost average, you can make sure you're getting a good cost basis for these assets, all right? Some of them have already bottomed. Some of them haven't. We just don't know, okay? But I'm so bullish on this opportunity again, and I can't stress this enough. Please stay plugged in. Please stick with it. Do not let it beat you down. Just think about how your portfolio is going to look when we come out of this, all right? So, I urge proper risk management if you're investing right now, okay? For some, it could be like catching a falling knife. Figure out your own strategy and stick with it, and try to be safe out there too if you're trading. It's the past couple of days hasn't been easy to trade. I had some good trades over the weekend, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Just hang in there, guys. Still bullish as ever, still holding, still accumulating. That has not changed. I'm not sitting on my hands, capitalizing on this opportunity because this next bull run is going to be massive. Look who just stepped into the front door. Nasdaq. The Nasdaq. All right. Do I need to say any more? Who else is going to come through that door before the next bull run? Right? Time will tell, guys. All right, guys. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Another epic day in crypto history. All right. And I'll be back soon with another gem. All right, guys. Deuce Crypto out.